So here is my receiver, VFO board, mixer, crystal filter, the oscillator, and the product detector with the active filtering circuit. So the VFO worked fine. This is working fine. The crystal filter based on the 47 picofarads with the cone. I don't know if the impedance matching is correct. I tried with my little setup. Still a lot to learn on the cone design. So I bypassed it as I was listening to it, and kind of. The oscillator that was in the circuit, I couldn't get to oscillate, so I used another kind, and with in series with the this is a 10 through 50 capacitor, and it was changing, and in the headphones I was able to adjust it so I can somewhat hear my voice. The 5532 circuit, I first set it all up and I didn't hear any output, so I went directly from the mixer into the active, and that all worked fine, into an LM386 with the 10 microfarad gain cap, and I could hear something when I just did my SIGGEN 5 megahertz and 5.001. I could hear the 1 kHz tone, so I know things are amplifying, just like when I would use my ICOM here and broadcast just locally through the dummy load and pick it up. I could hear my voice, just not strong, and then when I hooked it up, not a lot of band noise. So I know I have modifications, but just to try. So gonna go back through it again. Going to maybe I'll modify and go back to my 200 ohm 4 crystal filter, and then do impedance matching transformers from. So I'm getting away from the daylight, but certainly it was awesome to get my first analog VFO all good. So to go back to the analog style plus to calibrate it, that's a whole another system there. So much to learn, and gonna keep at it. And the active filter was cool, so all good. So on to the next.